Hey there, YouTube fans, how you going, man? Woo! Let's do this. Alright, come for a ride with the old mate, Teacher Sal. So, I just picked up my low-dose naltrexone, which is a little bit of a help with the pain of fibromyalgia and chronic fatigue syndrome. So of course I feel like absolute crap, but you got to live your life, and I'm gonna go to BCF now. Boating, camping and fishing is what BCF stands for if you're not in Australia. And I'm gonna go and get some lures so that I can put them on this motorbike and then just fish whenever I want. Believe it or not, there's a channel down here and there's really good fishing down there. Now I've been working on the pannier frames, so the saddlebag frames on this bike. I kind of did a quick job, but it's doing the job for now. I need to change a few things, do a little bit more work on it. It took me 2 days, and you know, with chronic fatigue, I tell you, it's not an easy thing to do, but we got there. And I don't think you can see them yet. When I get off the bike, I'll see if I can show you. I've got 2 really good saddlebags on the back here now with the fishing gear, and 1 tail bag, all professional, specially designed for a motorbike. And yeah, I just love them. You know, sometimes it's worth paying the extra money to get something good, as my old ex-wife used to say. She was right, I'd say, on that one. And there's that channel, by the way. There's a little channel down there. There's barramundi. There's barramundi in there, can you imagine? Like, it's a kind of bass. So, what was the other thing I wanted to say? Anyway, I was talking about the panniers. Yeah, so just building this bike up so I can go camping, but it's really, when you got fibromyalgia and chronic fatigue syndrome, it's really a case of, when I feel good, I will do this or that, or I know I'm gonna have to pay for it, so I'll just have to plan for, you know, like doing whatever I want to do, having whatever fun I want to have, and then crashing for days on end or whatever. So guys, this is Australia. If you haven't ever seen it, very similar to America. A lot of my viewers are Americans. We've got a McDonald's here as well. Oh, look at that, I've got a lane over here, look. Okay. So in this country now, you're allowed to lane filter. I'm allowed to go in between the cars and go to the front lights. That was the other thing I wanted to say. So I put an LED light bulb in this as well as I was working on everything, and it's too low, so it's pointed too low. I have to adjust that as well. Alright, okay. There you go, another motorcyclist. And that's it, I'm already at speed. Oh, by the way, for those of you who don't know, I'm riding a Honda XR650L. And they haven't changed since 1993. So let's just put it that way. But look, it's a 2006 manufactured bike, which makes it a 2007 version, but they haven't changed them. And I absolutely love this bike, and I say God forbid, please put it in the grave with me. That's how long I would like to own this. And if I don't own Beastie, that's his name or her name. I suppose it's a her, isn't it? But anyway, Beastie is her name or his name. I haven't made up my mind yet. Oh, I lost my train of thought as usual. Oh man, so much strength is needed to slow down. Just go into neutral here. I've got my high beam on. Let's turn that off. All right, nice and bright. It's not pointed in anybody's face. So it's really hot here. It's about 26 degrees Celsius. That's about, I think it's about 75 plus Fahrenheit in American standard. I don't know if that's exactly right. But yeah, it's pretty hot again now, which really upsets me because I wanted to go camping, but it's taken so long to get all the camping gear together. Now that it's finally time to, I might be almost ready, it's too hot, so I'm going to swelter. So I might look at camping near the ocean, so you get that breeze come in, or just putting up with it, you know. My family sent me a video, an old video of me in Egypt. So I've even been in front of the pyramids, and that was dry heat. Whereas here it's humid. Yeah, so I went out last night, had a pizza, and it's terrible. That's the problem about being a former pizza maker. We call them, in Italian, we call them pizzaiolo. I was a pizzaiolo, and so I'm very fussy when it comes to pizza. I'm Italian. I got 2-for-1 deal, $20, so $10 a pizza, which is very cheap. But yeah, not really great, I'm afraid. To my right is a pet barn, super cheap auto. This is, I'm coming up to Domain Central, we call it, in the North Queensland city of Townsville. Oh, we got a school shop over there, school gear, Harvey Norman Electronics, fishing warehouse. But I'm going over to BCF, like I said, boating, camping and fishing. That's strange. Did I put it on high beam? There you go. No, it's not on high beam. Okay. Not long until my destination. We're going to get some lures that resemble a mullet. A lot of you Aussies would know what a mullet is. A mullet is like a little bait fish, you know, you got Americans would use minnows, we use mullet. Just about everything eats a mullet. But they come, you know, they come off the line, or I get caught in a rock or something. So I want to get a whole bunch of these. Here we've got Bunnings Warehouse, which is a hardware store. Nearly at my destination. Gonna sneak in here. we say in Queensland, get a mullet up ya. So I'm literally gonna go and buy some mullets. Oh gosh. Come on. Oh, That's what you love, eh? You gotta watch them, eh? Oh my goodness. Come on, beastie. Beastie, be good. Oh, it's gonna. Oh, this is a perfect spot for me. Alright, now I want to. Oh, here we go. Look at the reflection. How cool is that? Ooh, that is weird. Is that where the lights look so low? That is weird. What the heck? That might be why it looks like that. I don't think I put it upside down. There's only one way to put that bulb in. Alright, let's kill that. The fun part is to try and get off without killing myself. Oh, sugar. Oh, okay, so let's have a quick look at this bike. Look at these panniers. I love all these little bags on the front. You see the bag there, and this is rig gear, and these are my pannier frames that I put on, and they're just awesome. So I got fishing gear in there, so I had to adapt them from a different bike. So just step back here. Yeah, so it's looking really good. Alright, let's see if we can get some lures. I'll have to stop it here because I didn't get permission to film in BCF. So I'll talk to you on the other side. How cool is this? I've got the camera on a stick. Anyway, that's the mullet. Mullet lures. Cheers. Alright, see if we can get on this bike. The fun part with all this rubbish. 1, 2, 3. Ooh! It's like getting on a horse. Bam! Into the fence. Alright, next task is... Hello! Next task is to see what we got in this cheap store, which is over there. This is tiring me out, man. This is so much fun though, I've got to admit. I don't know if I had my indicator on. Beastie's being good. Lifeline. Alright, so I'm going here to a shop called Silly Solly's and see if there's any camping gear. So I haven't been here for a while. Here's Silly Solly's. Come in here. Looks very quiet. And again, I don't have permission to film here, so I better stop the camera in a second. Oh, shit. Excuse the French. Oh, that's heavy. Alright, so what are the goodies we got here from our Silly Solly's? Alright, some luggage straps, if you can see them. Some deodorant for the trip, nice and small. In fact, that can go in the bike here at all times. There we go. And crab pot frames. So you put your bait in there. Alright, let's do our trusty bag here. What's this one? Eco Series Rear. Stuff that in there. You know, it's getting a little crowded. Can I get a drink and still have the GoPro on? No, I can't get a drink in. Alright. You're on camera. How you going? Nice to see you. Yep, yep. We'll have to delete that part out. So I'm going, g'day, I'm Salvatore.
Have you met Sam before?
I think so, ages ago though.
Used to work at
Vesuvius.
yeah, Vesuvius.
Yep.
So I'm on the bike today and just thought I'd get some lures and that, so that whenever I turn up anywhere I can go fishing.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, I know, it's just awesome.
Yeah, you've got to keep mind active, mate.
Oh yeah, because my body's ruined. That's all.
That happens to everybody.
Yeah, getting old.
You've still got a long time yet before you can say that.
Only God knows, mate. I lost my mum not too long ago.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's nice.
yeah. So you kind of get fearless, you know. No wife, no children, no mum, no father. I'm an orphan, so you get fearless. Just live for every day.
That's it.
Yeah.
So you wake up's a good day.
Yeah,
That's it. All right. We'll keep going and enjoy.
I will.
Hey.
Catch up with you down the line somewhere else, man. Run into you somewhere else, I'm sure.
You can look at your video on Teacher Sal, like Salvatore, Teacher Sal channel. Teacher Sal, you'll be on there famous. Both yous.
Famous.
Yep.
All right.
No worries.
See ya.
Okay, thank you.
Make sure I don't run you over. All right, that was good to see Deborah. Hey Deborah, shout out to you. Hopefully you see this on YouTube, Teacher Sal channel. Alright, I'm going to head home and take you along with me. Got the stuff in there. And